Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Twilio using API keys for AI voicebots. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Twilio using API keys, start by logging into your Twilio account. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console. In the console, locate the settings section on the left sidebar. Click on API keys and tokens. Here, you will find an option to create a new API key. Select the option to create a new API key. Fill in the required fields, such as the name of your API key. Decide on the type of API key you need, choose either standard or project. After filling in the details, click on the Create API Key button. Twilio will generate a new API key and secret for you. Make sure to copy both the key and secret immediately. Store these credentials securely, as the secret will not be displayed again. Next, open your development environment or code editor. Start by installing the Twilio SDK, if you haven't already. This can typically be done using your package manager, like npm for Node.js projects. Use the command npm install Twilio. After installation, create a new file for your Voicebot project. In this file, require the Twilio SDK by adding const Twilio equals require Twilio. Now, set your Twilio credentials as follows. Use the copied API key and secret in your code. You can do this by initializing the Twilio client like this. Const client equals Twilio, your underscore API underscore key, your underscore API underscore secret. Replace your underscore API underscore key and your underscore API underscore secret with your actual credential. Once your client is initialized, you can now make API calls. For instance, to make a voice call, you will use client.calls.create. Within the create method, you can define parameters such as to, from, and URL. This URL may point to a TWML document that specifies the voice interaction for your bot. Ensure your TWML is properly formatted and accessible. Test your voice bot by running your code. Monitor the responses to confirm successful API interactions. If any issues arise, check your Twilio console for error messages. With successful authentication and proper API usage, your AI voicebot is now ready to operate. Make sure to handle any exceptions and implement logging for better insights. Remember to secure your API credentials and never expose them in public repositories. This guide ensures that you can easily authenticate with Twilio using API keys for your AI voicebots. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.